Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. Today I will be sharing with you how to put your leftover yarns into a ball. So I have this one here that I used previously and I don't want the yarn to get all tied up. So I actually like when I pull my yarn from the inner part of the skein. So I am just going to show you today how to put your yarn into a ball. It is very easy and it is quick to do. So to begin, you're gonna leave a tail out and you're gonna use your thumb to hold this into place for a bit, and then you're just gonna basically wrap around your fingers. Make sure when you're wrapping, you're not wrapping the yarn tight. So you're doing that very loose, and you're just basically gonna wrap until you have a generous amount on your fingers. So it doesn't really matter how much you have wrapped on. You don't have to count that. So I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so now that I have a good amount, I'm just gonna scrunch this for a little bit. And I am just gonna wrap over that. And I'm gonna change my direction of how I am wrapping. So each time you wrap, you are going to change your direction. So that the yarn can go up into a ball. So changing your direction here. And you can also use your thumb to steer the way how you are wrapping the yarn. And you will also notice that the yarn is going up into a ball. So just change the way how you're wrapping. Make sure that you're not wrapping the tail in. And I did just wrap my tail in, so all I did was to just pull that out. So I'm just going to turn that over and I'm going to wrap again, turn, and continue wrapping, and turn, and turn. Okay, so I'll just pull that out after because you're not wrapping tight. Well, I am not wrapping tight. You're not supposed to wrap tight. You're supposed to wrap very loose. So continue just wrapping in different directions. Turn your yarn again. See that tail want to be wrapped up, but you're not going to wrap up today. We're just basically wrapping everything together. So I'm almost there. So just changing the way how you're wrapping. Each time you wrap, and you can see that it is nicely going into a nice ball. And we're done. So I'm just going to basically put this in underneath one of the loops, and there is our ball. It's done. So when you're ready to use your yarn, you can either pull it like this, and you can see that it is coming right out very loosely. Easy to work with, or if you prefer to use this side, you can put the ball into a bowl and you can use it from this end as well. But I love using my yarn from this end. So I hope that you love this tutorial and it was very useful to you, and you don't have to go through all the stress of actually having your yarn being tied up. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks to my viewers and my subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. Until next time, guys. Bye.